Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be making some hominy corn porridge for you guys. If you want to see how we make that recipe, please stay tuned. If you aren't already subscribed, tell them what to do. Subscribe, man. Tell them. Come on. Subscribe. And like. Tell them, don't forget to hit that notification bell and leave a comment down below. Like and share. Thank you. Stay tuned. So what we'll be using to make this hominy corn part is hominy corn. We soaked this from overnight already. You don't have to, but it cut down the cooking time. So hominy corn. And this is cinnamon powder, 2 cups of flour, almond spice, almond concentrate, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and some salt. Evaporated milk, condensed milk. You can use coconut milk, any type of milk, whole milk. Evaporated milk I'm using today. By adding the cinnamon leaves, you get some cinnamon leaf too, and the cinnamon stick. Add it more. 2.5 cups of hominy corn. You're gonna boil it until you see the corns are split. You're gonna just add it to the pot like this, Maya. That's gonna take up time. Just add it like that, all of it.
Mommy, I stuffed until the time in my house.
Maya, that's gonna take time. All right. You can just throw it in the pot like that, you know.
But I know what I'm doing.
All right, you know what you're doing. Okay. All right. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add it. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop now. And then you're gonna give this a nice stir. And then we're gonna leave this to boil.
This is the young spoon, right, Mommy?
Okay, so we're gonna leave this to boil now.
I want a coconut milk.
So it has been 45 minutes. And the corns are boiled. They are very soft. If you don't want to wait this long, you can go ahead and pressure them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the evaporated milk now. I'm gonna use half of this. Go ahead and use half. Okay, this is half. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon vanilla. As you know already, I like flavor. I like lots of flavor in everything I cook. And half tablespoon of the almond spice. And if you don't have almond spice, that's okay, just use the vanilla. Half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Stir that in. Then I add the grated nutmeg. I went ahead and grated this off camera. Gotta add the nutmeg. All the nutmeg. This part what I'm gonna do over here is very crucial. You have to do this part. Either you want to use cornstarch or you want to use corn flour, but I have some all-purpose flour. Use any flour that you want to use. So I'm gonna mix this with some water. This is going to give the porridge its thickness. So as you can see, this is not thick. Even if you boil it and boil it and boil it, it's not gonna get thick. So we have to add some farmer flour to it, or some farmer starch. So we're mixing this out. We have to mix this out completely, else it's gonna give your porridge lump. It's gonna make your porridge lumpy. Now that this is nicely mixed and creamy, you're gonna gradually add it to the pot. And you're gonna keep on stir while you add it. And as you keep on stirring, you're gonna feel the thickness. It's gonna get real thick. So I want to leave it at this thickness. I don't want to add any more mixture to it. I want to leave it at this. I want to leave it at this thickness. Okay. See how this is really nice and creamy and smells so good with the cinnamon and the nutmeg and all the spices that I use. The house is bursting with flavor. The house smell. The neighbor they must wonder. The neighbor they must wonder what don't you cook. Smell good, man. See, the consistency is very good. So as I said before, as you mix it, you're gonna feel the consistency. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the condensed milk. Let's sweeten the porridge. Put all the condensed milk into the pot. Okay, and I'm gonna stir.
You're the sweet.
God, this is so creamy and nice. Can't wait to taste this one.
Yeah, me too.
I haven't had a hominy corn porridge in a long while now.
Me too, Mommy.
Okay. So when you add all this condensed milk, you don't need to add any sugar to it, and you can half the condensed milk, use half of condensed milk and use half of sugar. Okay, Maya.
It was all sweet and hot.
Taste this, and it was a little not so sweet, so I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add white sugar also. Okay, so this is gonna make it complete. Oh my God, yes, Mommy, you did it again. Alright, so this is about done. I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes. I'm leaving it for 5 minutes more on the stove for all the flavors to come together. And then we're gonna plate it. So it's done now. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna plate it for you guys. Now I'm gonna share some. God, look at this. Oh God. I'm gonna wipe this off. There it is, guys, and now I'm gonna give us a taste test. It's hot. It's hot. Wait, let me cool it for you. Let me cool it. Wait. You can also eat your porridge with some crackers, any type of crackers you want, but we like to eat water crackers.
I can
the
eat
cinnamon flavor. Not really, and bread. You can eat bread, break it up and eat it with it, or you can just eat it by itself, just like this.
I can eat some more.
No, come. So I'm gonna cool it for you. I'm gonna taste it for them. Come. Some more. Let me taste it.
This is the best porridge, Mommy.
This is the best porridge? I love it too. It's so creamy and nice, flavorful.
Let me eat that too. I want to taste more.
I want to taste more?
I mean.
And these corn are so tender.
Let me eat more porridge.
So tender and nice. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And see you guys in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for watching. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.